Good morning everyone, I am Mary Rosipit and I will be discussing the testing reading skills. So, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to describe the different types of reading and text comprehension tests and determine the appropriate use a reading test or a particular competency and construct varied types of reading and text comprehension tests. So, for introduction, reading skills consist of a continuum of basic pre-reading abilities to advanced reading and competencies. Learner must be taught to interpret materials as they can varied forms of print media throughout their lifespan. So reading skills develop is a continuous process that requires teaching learners to effectively interact with various forms of print media. Assessing their reading abilities helps identify their strengths and weaknesses, allowing teachers to tailor instruction to meet their individual needs and concerns. So the first one, reading readiness test. To prepare the learners from non-readers to readers, they are taught essential skills and are tested to learn them to success in reading. As a future teachers, we can help the non-readers become readers required patiently, teaching them the essential skills they need and regularly checking in on their progress to identify areas where they need extra support. The teacher can tailor their teaching to meet their unique needs and watch them grow into confident readers. These include A. Instant learner recognition. Test items involve the learners to recognize letter shape, letters name, the sequence of the letters in the alphabet, identification of upper and lowercase manuscript letters. The student can develop instant letter recognition skills by teaching them to identify letters by their shape, names, and order in the alphabet and to distinguish big or small letters, which is crucial step in becoming confident readers and writers. And this is the sample test of instant letter recognition. And for B, phonological phonemic awareness. So this phonological awareness can develop phonological awareness by the student can develop phonological awareness by teaching them to play with sounds in words, like identifying individual sounds like sounds, syllables, rhymes, and having fun with words family. Sound blending, which is crucial skills for becoming strong readers and spellers. So this is example that test situation that measure logical awareness. And for letter C, reading concept items. So the students can develop reading concept by teaching them to identify similarities and differences in sounds, like beginning, middle, and ending sounds, and understanding key concept like voice and unvoiced sounds, which lays the groundwork for strong reading skills. So for word recognition letters, in word recognition test, learners are assessed on their ability to connect sounds to letters and read words that follow phonetic patterns, helping the teacher understand how well they grasp the relationship between sounds and written words. Letter E, handwriting. So in handwriting, students develop their handwriting skills by having them practice writing lowercase letters and numbers, focusing on getting the strokes just right, which is an important step in becoming a confident writer. Vocabulary, it helps the students learn and understand new words and how to use them in context, which is essential for effective communication and reading comprehension.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Althea Francine Gischada. So now we talk about reading comprehension test. This test measures the ability of the learners to derive meanings from a text, passage, or selection read. The five dimensions, as explained in Chapter 6, are sources of the varied types of test items that could be constructed. Reading comprehension tests designed to assess how well students understand the written material. The test will use different types of questions based on five key dimensions of reading comprehension, which is the literal comprehension, inferential comprehension, evaluative comprehension, appreciative, and critical comprehension. These dimensions likely cover aspects like identifying main ideas, understanding vocabulary, making inferences, analyzing the author's purpose. So this is the example of reading comprehension test. Letter A is literal questions, reading what is directly stated in the passage. Question whose answers are directly found in the selection. For examples is who are the characters in the story? What happened when the boys released the bird? What crops do they grow in Mang Ramon's farm? And what made Jonas cry? So these questions is based on the story that the answer is from the story. Number two is interpretative questions, reading between the lines. Items require the learners to put together the information presented in the selection to give a correct answer. Questions belonging to this category of comprehension include getting the main idea. So what does the paragraph tell about air pollution? And deriving meaning through context. Example, after Mario answered, the teacher commented, "You hit the nail on its head. What does the teacher mean?" And sequencing events. Based on the details presented in the story, arrange the following events in the order in which they happened. Inferring character traits. Based on the description, Anna, which of the following would appropriately describe her? Letter C is applied or integrative reading beyond the lines. Learners are asked questions whose answers are based on their ability to make connections of the information read, their life experiences, and knowledge. Examples of skills and questions are first, drawing conclusions. From the circumstances presented in the selection, what conclusion can you make? Second, distinguishing fact and opinion. Relying on the information presented in the selection, which of the following is a fact or an opinion? Third, making decision or suggestions. If you were the judge in the story, what would be your ruling to the case? And the last, giving alternative endings. If you were the author, how would you end the story? The story. So this is the example of applied or integrative. Now let's proceed to non-prose reading tests. This group of tests uses chart, maps, product labels, signs and symbols, menus, and other materials that use minimal words to explain something. So they serve as a stimulus materials that serve as basis for learners to answer literal, interpretative, and applied questions presented in the multiple choice format. So these tests don't use traditional paragraphs of text. Instead, they use visual materials like charts, maps, product labels, signs, symbols, and menus. These visuals, with minimal accompanying text, serve as the basis of four questions. So the questions themselves test different levels of comprehension: literal comprehension, finding directly stated information; the interpretative comprehension, understanding implied meanings; and applied comprehension, using the information to solve problems and make decisions. So all questions are presented in a multiple choice format.